Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. What do you do when it's so freezing cold outside?
Well, I just put on my favorite 100% merino wool set from NUOHEMULE, and I have to say, I am obsessed. This set looks and feels so luxurious, and I love how it instantly brightens up my winter outfits. Where I am, it gets really cold, but this set keeps me perfectly warm without feeling bulky. It's my go-to set for chilly days, and I think it pairs great with my leather. I literally wear it all the time, everywhere. The material is super soft and plush, not scratchy at all, and it comes in 10 beautiful colors. Plus, it arrives in a monogram box, making it perfect for gifting.
I love this dusty blue color. It matches everything I own, especially my glasses. But that's just my point of view.